Oh yeah, it was 10 out of 10 for sure. If I can get it 11, I would, man.
Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. This is your boy Hollywood. Oh my god, my freaking strap. I think it's time for new gloves. Well, these ladies like turning purple. But anyways, today we're on the way to go meet up with the boys at Cycle Gear right now, and then we're gonna go meet up with Funnymangaitlin. If you guys don't know, he's a comedian. Man, he's funny as hell, man. You've probably seen this stuff on Instagram or TikTok. Mostly Instagram and Facebook. I don't really know about TikTok, but man, he's hosting a bike meet. He's gonna have motorcycles, ATVs, all kinds of stuff. Basically like a little street takeover. Me personally, I don't like takeovers, but you know, if they're doing what they do, I'm just gonna tag along. If it gets too rowdy, I'm just gonna leave. But yeah, then he has a meet and greet out of 4. I guess we're gonna ride out after that. But yeah, if my boy Gabriel's coming, he got his H2 back from Jaeger Works down in Tampa. I think yeah, that's the same guy that Fastlane D took his H2 to. It is there right now, actually. With the boys on Cycle Gear, about to go to Gabe's house. Too Tall here is gonna put on some carbon on this S1K. Yeah, he got his done by Jaeger Works. Him and Gabe got theirs done at the same time. Gabe is over there on the H2. That thing sounds crazy. I'm probably not gonna even be able to ride by him. That thing sounds too crazy. Yeah, everybody head back to Gabe's house, and then I guess I'll be heading to Gaitlin's meet and greet from there. Yeah, let's get it. Gabe's H2 is so loud. Like, I got my music playing. Oh, somebody needs gas. Everybody loves H2, but they're also scared of it. Oh yeah, we already see the boys pulling up over there. I actually didn't even go to a pre-meet. Getting that shade. I know that's right. I'm finna go get in that goddamn shade, boy. What up?
You said how was what?
How was the experience? Like the turn?
Oh yeah, it was 10 out of 10 for sure. If I can get it 11, I would, man. I was a little nervous. I didn't know if all the bikes was gonna pop out, but y'all can see, man, the bikes are out today. You can
Bikes
even
out.
hear it, man. Bikes out. My boy came out here from the shop.
Hell yeah.
My birthday, you know what I'm saying? You know, ride. I do a lot of like back to school stuff, toy drives and stuff. And I don't even ask for no donations, but if y'all like just bring the bikes out so the kids can see it, they be loving shit like that. But I do that all year round if y'all want to pop out. Any events y'all got, you know what I'm saying, in Alabama, I'll pop out and help promote it and all that shit, you know what I'm saying? So just get my information before everybody leaves, you know, I'm a cool ass nigga. Everybody know bikes cool, man.
There's free beer, I tell you that for a fact.
Yeah, you feel me? Yeah, so talk to the bikes, man, appreciate it.
Happy birthday, bro.
Alright y'all, that is going to be the video for today. I know it wasn't a whole lot of action because I missed the ride. They were talking about they rode through the hood and all kind of stuff, man. Riding on sidewalks, along side of the road. I mean, that's not my taste in riding, but it still would have been good content. I mean, I would have enjoyed riding with them, but I would have been a little sketched out that they were riding on the wrong side of the road. But you know, it was labeled as a street takeover, so it is what it is. But shout out Funnymangaitlin for hosting this event. The shit was lit. Anywhere there's free beer, free water, you know your boy's coming. Alright, your boy is coming out. But yeah, man, hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, let me know down in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this, people doing wheelies and stuff like that, comment down below, and I will try my best to attend some of these events that have different stuff and different types of riding. And don't forget, wear your gear, ride safe, keep chasing greatness, baby. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.